Okay, so we were explaining, please do come. Children, we were explaining modern theory of international trade. You are aware, yesterday, hello, no talking. This was the table that we were explaining yesterday. Remembering? Okay, modern theory, ma'am, what is the reason for international trade? What is the reason? Why do the trade take place? Trade take place because of two reasons. Point number one, factor intensity. That is what we are explaining. Point number two, factor endowment. मैं कल बोला आपसे, factor endowment, take down the points. Don't look at the textbook and sit. Don't look at the screen and sit. Take down the things. According to the modern theory, फटाफट लिखो. लिखने का आदत ही गया ना 2 साल से. हाँ. According to the modern theory, international trade take place. International trade take place due to two reasons. International trade take place due to two reasons. No talking. One is factor intensity. I am writing there, you can see factor intensity. Second is factor endowment. Endowment means gift. बात करने पर बाहर भेजेगा. Factor endowment. Endowment means gift. We go there. According to the modern theory, international trade takes place due to these two reasons. That is why it is known as factor endowment theory. 1 minute, क्या doubt है? First point I told you factor intensity. Second लिखा है factor endowment. Now look at this table. Yesterday already I had explained this table. Every day we are doing the same thing again and again. Commodity Y, अब देखो. Commodity Y produce करने का, आप look at that ratio. 2 unit of capital, look here, and 2 unit of labor. So the ratio, the intensity ratio is 2/2, that is 1. Then in order to produce capital X, the ratio is 1/4, 1 divided by 4. 1 unit of capital and 4 unit of labor. Okay. Dekho, the same thing we explained yesterday, and here I made the correction. Commodity Y is capital intensive. Commodity X is labor intensive. What is the reason? Come. Commodity X is capital intensive. आपका क्लास में कोई नया एडमिशन नहीं है. Y commodity, कौन सा commodity capital intensive है देखो. Commodity Y. What is the reason? The reason is the ratio. 2/2 is equivalent to 1. In case of commodity X, देखो, you can see here more labor is used. 4 unit of labor is used. Commodity Y is labor intensive. देखो, there are two commodities. There are two commodities. आपका एग्जाम होने पर आप क्या करेगा? बेहोश हो जाएगा. Yes. Okay. और स्ट्राइक करेगा. हमको ऑनलाइन ही चाहिए. We don't want offline because we are passing. Now, not only you, in general. Okay. Okay. Commodity Y is capital intensive. Commodity Y is capital intensive. Commodity Y is capital intensive. ब्रैकेट में लिखो, वो रेशियो लिखो 2/2. क्या नहीं, टेबल में देखो मिल जाएगा 2/2. And commodity X is labor intensive. INTENSIVE, labor intensive. ब्रैकेट में लिखो 1/4. वो टेबल देखो, you have to be careful how we are coming to that ratio. You can see here commodity X के लिए 4 यूनिट ऑफ लेबर यूज करता है, देखो, and 1 यूनिट ऑफ कैपिटल. So ज्यादा लेबर यूज करता है, so it is known as labor intensive. Commodity X का केस में both are equal, so 2 यूनिट of labor and 2 यूनिट of capital. Since the ratio is 1, we are calling for capital intensive. It can use either capital or labor, but we are choosing capital. Now be very careful, we are dealing with factor abundance ratio. This is the second name of the theory. Students who came late. Modern theory is also known as factor abundance theory. We go there. Modern theory is known as A for apple, B for ball, sab bhi sikhana padega bhi. Modern theory is also known as factor abundance theory. Abundance का spelling उधर है. Modern theory of trade is also known as factor abundance theory. उधर है देखो, उधर ratio दिया गया. I am using the word theory. Modern abundance theory. Abundance means surplus. ज्यादा हो जाता है. Abundance means surplus. Abundance means surplus. Abundance is surplus. अभी देखो, nation differ in, look at the sentence, nation differ in factor endowment. ये देखिए, nation differ in factor endowment. Children, what do you mean by endowment? Endowment means gift. Endowment means gift. I am endowing you 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so endowment means gift. So nations are different with the factor gift, because the factor of production is given by nature. We cannot produce a factor of production. Please remember, India ka factor endowment kaun sa hai? Ligo udhar. India is gifted with labor. India is gifted with labor. This is our endowment. India is gifted with labor. India is gifted with labor. Gulf countries are gifted with oil. Gulf countries are gifted with oil. Example, Portugal is gifted with grapes. Portugal is gifted with grapes. क्या हुआ? Portugal is gifted. I am using the mic. फिर क्या problem है? Portugal is gifted with grapes. GRAPES. Grapes ज्यादा होने के वजह से Portugal is producing wine. Simple logic. England is gifted with cotton, so England is producing cotton textile. कौन सा फैक्टर आपका कंट्री में ज्यादा है, वही फैक्टर से आप कमोडिटीज प्रोड्यूस करेगा. That is the meaning of it. So every nation is differ in their factor endowment. Say for example, in your class, suppose there are say 30 students. Every student is different in their factor endowment. Some students are very good in listening, some are very good in writing, some are very good in dance. देखो endowment अलग है. Some are very good in singing. So the voice, the voice is an endowment. Everybody cannot sing. Everybody cannot dance. Sachin Tendulkar, देखो, he got that endowment to play the cricket. It is a gift of God. So the country are, every country is gifted with some endowment, and that endowment is different. Now see, some have more natural resources, some have more labor, and others are having more capital. Dekho, different. Some country got natural resources. Some country got natural. Some countries are gifted with natural resources. अब split करके लिखो. Some countries are gifted with natural resources. Okay. Example of Africa. Example Africa. आपको मालूम है अफ्रीका में बहुत ज्यादा गोल्ड माइन्स है. अफ्रीका करके कॉन्टिनेंट है. Some countries are gifted with natural resources. Example I told you Africa. Some countries are gifted with labor. Digodar. Some countries are gifted with labor. Some countries are gifted with labor. Example कौन सा देगा? India. Very good. India. Comma, some countries are gifted with capital. Some countries are gifted with capital. Example बोलो. USA. Capital का best example है USA. USA में labor force से capital ज्यादा है. I am writing your number only. I want the total number. Okay. अभी आगे जाओ. In two country model now, a country is factor abundance can be defined in physical terms of factor price ratio. Again, take down the point. Factor abundance can be explained. Factor abundance can be explained in terms of factor abundance can be explained in terms of factor price ratio. Factor abundance can be explained in terms of factor price ratio. मैंने circle किया है. Factor price ratio. Children, what is factor price ratio? Look here 1 minute. This is the factor price ratio. A column देखो. K by L. That is the factor price ratio. So here, when we say that countries are gifted with natural resources or labor, question arises, how does the trade take place? International trade happen करने के लिए, what we are looking is the factor price ratio. That is, if I give you 10 unit of labor, आप मेरे को जितना unit of capital देगा. That is the labor capital ratio. Because we are producing, India is having software engineers. Okay, so we are exporting software engineers. The question is, जब हम US को software engineers को export करेगा, India को वापस क्या मिलेगा? So the ratio is between labor and the capital. We are comparing the price of labor with that of price of capital. So the factor endowment theory is based on factor price ratio. Nigodar. Modern theory is based on factor price ratio. Factor price ratio. Factor price, P-R-I-C-E, factor price ratio. Simple, I told you, labor होने पर labor का price क्या है? Wages. Capital होने पर उसका price है, you know, when we talk about capital, उसका price है interest. So we will be comparing the price ratio. That is the meaning of that. Next, देखो, in two country model, country one is capital intensive if fiscal terms of total capital to the total amount of labor, that is TK upon TL, is greater than the nation 2. I will take another page and write. Otherwise, you will not be understanding this. Give me 1 minute time. I will just add one slide. Yes, children. देखो, here I am going to write. What is the meaning of this? TK by TL of country A. Take down. This is the ratio. TK by TL of country A is greater than TK by TL of country B. What is the meaning of this? In this case, देखो TK upon TL क्या है? Total unit of capital divided by total unit of labor of country A is more than total unit of capital divided by total unit of labor of country B. इधर कौन सा फैक्टर ज्यादा है बच्चे लोग? इधर का कैपिटल ज्यादा है. कौन सा कंट्री में? कंट्री ए में. Comparing between two countries A and B, इधर देखो TK upon TL, this ratio में country A का capital ज्यादा है. So we call, नीचे लिखो, we call country A as, can you complete? We call country A as capital intensive country. Capital intensive country. Go through that again. If it is not clear, ask. I told one more question is there, that is also equally difficult. After that, it will become normal. So TK upon TL, what is the meaning of TK upon TL? Quantity of capital divided by quantity of labor. We are taking the ratio. The ratio of country A is greater than that of the ratio of country B. And the ratio is TK upon TL. ऐसा आने पर हम बोलता है कंट्री ए इज कैपिटल इंटेंसिव. व्हाट इज द रीजन है? देखो नॉमिनेटर में कैपिटल है. सिंपल. यू डोंट हैव टू राइट. सपोज दैट आई राइट लाइक दिस. टीएल अपॉन टीके इज ग्रेटर देन टीएल अपॉन टीके ऑफ कंट्री बी. देन कंट्री ए कौन सा इसमें स्पेशलाइज करेगा? द रेशियो चेंज हुआ देखो. टीएल अपॉन टीके इज ग्रेटर देन टीएल अपॉन टीके ऑफ कंट्री बी. Yeah, then in that case, country A will be labor intensive. A case में country A is capital intensive because the ratio is different. TK divided by TL. अभी देखो आप. The two country model, one country is capital intensive. See this. How do you call a country as capital intensive? If physical ratio of total capital to total labor. This is the physical ratio. ये देखो आप. TK upon TL is greater than TK2 upon TL2. That is the two they are using for the second country. Second country का ratio से भी ज्यादा के first country का TK upon TL. Then we say that first country is capital intensive. पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा. There is no other way. It should be noted that it is not the absolute amount of capital and labor, but it is the ratio of total amount of capital and labor we are taking into account. In modern theory, we are not taking the total quantity. What are we taking? We are taking the ratio. That is TK upon TL. We are not comparing the total quantity. Please remember that. The factor abundance can be explained with the help of production possibility curve. आपने पहले पढ़ा है first year में production possibility curve. You will have to look at the diagram, then we will draw. First you look here and tell me where is the production possibility curve. ये देखो, I will change the color so that at least you can see. This is one production possibility curve. I have drawn it like this. You can see here A, B. देखा diagram में A, B. Then diagram में ये देखो C, D, this one. So there are two production possibility curve. First and foremost, tell me what is production possibility curve. PP curve means maximum combination of goods and services that a country can produce with the help of given resources. एक country को maximum जितना product produce कर सकता है with the given labor and capital It is shown with the help of production possibility curve. नीचे लिखो, you write diagrammatic explanation. Diagrammatic explanation. Modern theory is explained. Children, I am getting really shock is coming. If I remove that, I will not be seeing anything. Modern theory of international trade is explained with the help of production possibility curve. Production possibility curve. Production possibility curve. PP curve represents. PP means production possibility. PP curve represents the combination of. Hello, आप किधर हैं आप 705 में आइए. मेरे लैपटॉप में शॉक आता है, प्रोजेक्टर का वायर से शॉक आता है. हाँ, okay. PP curve shows various combination of goods and services. Various combination of goods and services that a country can produce. Various combination of goods and services that a country can produce with the help of given resources. Underline karo. With the help of given resources. Niche, change the para. PP curve is. इसे टच करके देखो, मैं ऐसे बैठते हैं, ये दोनों साइड से शो करता है. हाँ, इसके बाद ही आता है, मैं तो कोई इश्यू ही नहीं. PP curve is concave. I am writing here. PP curve is concave. Convex का opposite. PP curve is concave in shape. Really, सच में डर लगता था. फिंगर ऐसा. अभी अटेंडेंस लीजिए एक पेपर में. हाँ, तेरे पेपर एंड टेक द अटेंडेंस. इधर ही होगा ना, इधर बाजू में होगा ना. मेरे को लैपटॉप का डर है. अगेन प्रॉब्लम आता है. Online children, can you see the screen? No, आप कह दे. ये क्यों ये प्रॉब्लम होता है? ये देखो. अभी नया प्रोजेक्टर नया ऑर्डर किया बोला. ये देखो ना. शेक होता. ओके, look children, देखिए एक प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व ड्रॉ करो. दिस इज कॉनकेव प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी. कमोडिटी X, कमोडिटी Y। ये दुनिया में गया किधर, आउट ऑफ इंडिया गया? हाँ, दिस इज प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व। ये समझ में आने पर भी वो डायग्राम समझ में आएगा। प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व, प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व। दूसरा एक ड्रॉ करो, दिस इज पीपी कर्व ऑफ कंट्री बी। मैंने दो प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी ड्रॉ किया। पहला वन ए का है, प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व ऑफ कंट्री ए, दिस इज कंट्री बी। So first you remember PP curve is just opposite that of demand curve. Demand curve we draw downward sloping. That is convex. This is opposite. 300 go. Now let us come to the diagram and see here. Go AB in the diagram. Diagram तो होगा सामने. In the diagram AB, diagram में AB किधर है देखो. AB is the production possibility of AB is the production possibility of country A. Production possibility of country A. Country A. CD. CD किधर है देखो. First look at the diagram. CD, that blue color वाला. CD is a production possibility curve of country B. Country B. CD is the production possibility of country B. मैंने diagram में लिखा है country 1. You can see here country 2. Country 1 is country A. Country 2 is country B. Okay. You can see here. Now, country A is capital abundant. Country A is capital abundant. Country A is capital abundant. This is because OA divided by OB. देखो किधर है करके. OA y axis में देखो. OA divided by OB. OA divided by OB is cheaper in country A. In country A. It means country A require less capital to produce the commodity. Country A require less capital to produce the commodity comparing to country B. Comparing to country B. Therefore, production possibility curve of country A, possibility curve, CURVE, production possibility curve of country A is more skewed. See this word I am circling. Is more skewed. SKEWED. More skewed. I have just circled it over there. More skewed means वो side पर ज़्यादा टेढ़ा हुआ है. That is the meaning. More skewed towards y axis. More skewed towards y axis. डायग्राम में देखो, look here, see, ये देखिए, what is PP1? You can see here. PP1 is the production possibility curve of country A. PP1 is touching AB. ये देखो आप, PP1 is touching AB at the point E. Can you see here? PP1 is touching. I will draw the diagram again here. Look here. देखो. This is the point I am talking. Now you look at the diagram. ये देखो आप. This curve PP1. This is also production possibility curve. Okay. AB is the production possibility curve of country A, and PP1 is touching that AB at point E. Ligo the PP1. The curve PP1 is tangent. PP1 is tangent at point, the same point I am using, at point E, with the curve AB, पहले एक काम करो, ये डायग्राम तो ड्रॉ करो. हाँ, ड्रॉ द डायग्राम. आधा ही आज होगा, नो प्रॉब्लम. ड्रॉ द डायग्राम. फर्स्ट यू ड्रॉ AB, ड्रॉ करो. फर्स्ट यू ड्रॉ द कर्व AB. Draw the, this curve, you draw it. AB, draw that. Already we are aware, same thing I am drawing. AB is the production possibility of country A. AB is the production possibility of country A. This is the price ratio. This is like this. I am rubbing, it should be tangent. ये देखो, I am using another color. This is the price. It's not a curve. It is something like this. It's a price ratio. That is the price ratio. Price ratio PP1. अभी सामने लिखो. PP1 is tangent. सामने लिखो. PP1, there is a price ratio. PP1 is tangent with AB at point E. AB at point E, don't by heart. At point E. देखो आप. This is PP1 and this is AB. It is tangent at point E. लिखा उधर तक. Now draw the other production possibility curve. Draw the production possibility curve. This is CD. CD. This is the production possibility of country B. This is the production possibility of country B. Production possibility of country B. Either B, it will be a line. It should be a line. Tangent line. Because this is, since the touch screen, It's not touching there. It is. This is not right. It should be touching over there. Dekho. It's a line. It's a praise. You know this how you will mark it. You will be marking it as PP2. ऊपर हमने PP1 डाला, इधर हमने डालता है PP2. This is the price ratio of country B. चाहिए पर उधर लिखो. PP2 is the price ratio of country B. PP2 is the price ratio of country B. PP2 is tangent with CD. PP2 is tangent with CD. At point Q. At point Q. At point Q. Here we are putting a full stop. We will continue this tomorrow. I will share the my dear boy, ये थोड़ा remove करके दो. हाँ, कल से ये switch आ जाएगा till the switch comes. Carefully do that. Thank you. मैं क्या बोलते हैं, मेरे लिए ना मेरा PhD के लिए कुछ क्वेश्चनेयर कलेक्ट करने का है. Questionnaire is about the auto rickshaw driver. Okay, so आपका क्लास से I want some 5 good students. समझा? और एक रिक्शा का डाटा कलेक्ट करने पर क्वेश्चनेयर में देगा, लेकिन इट शुड बी प्रॉपरली कलेक्ट करने का है. एक हाँ सर, रिक्शा ड्राइवर को बात करने का. समझा? हाँ, कितना फोल्ड किया? ओके, रिक्शा ड्राइवर से बात करने का क्वेश्चन भी दिखाएगा मैं आपको. तो ऐसा I want 5. हाँ, आप करो. मैं वही बोला, अकेला नहीं होगा. 3-4 स्टूडेंट्स को पकड़ो और 1 क्वेश्चनियर के लिए 10 रुपीज देगा. Suppose you are collecting, say 15 questionnaire, you will be paid 150 rupees. 1-2 दिन में हो जाने का. आप एक काम करो, 4 अच्छा स्टूडेंट आपका फ्रेंड्स का डाटा कलेक्ट करो, नाम कलेक्ट करके मेरे से कांटेक्ट करो. क्या हुआ फेस को? एक होता है ना. उधर. I am sharing the attendance rate, children.